All right, today is Zippo Saturday, and the treat of the day is the Hostess Ding Dong. Nice little chocolate cakes with creamy filling, not to be confused with cowbell. Those are Ding Dongs, they're separate. All right, let's take a look at a couple of Zippos. Here's one from 2014 Halloween. And it was stamped D of 2014. Really good stampings on this brass body. Really good sound. It's got the steel insert. Kind of odd. Here's another one. It's pretty spooky. And this one was made in 2018. D, good stampings on this one. Made in USA. It's a good one. And the last one for today is Don't Open Dead Inside. It's from the zombie craze. It's on a white body. Made in 2019. Made in USA. Now this one we can light up. Fires up nice. I think I can do a drop test on this one. So this Don't Open Dead Inside bloody hand passes the drop test nicely. And definitely deserves some cowbell, all of them being made in the USA. Knuckle bump.